Hello back, and today we're going to talk about a debate between Hillary Clinton and Donald Trump, and this is about gun control and the Second Amendment. Hillary Clinton states that she doesn't oppose the Second Amendment, but she wants more gun control. The Second Amendment of the United States Constitution uh, simply says that gives the people the right to bear arms, so to have weapons in their homes. So she doesn't oppose it, uh, the Second Amendment, because she cannot go against the Constitution, and we are on a presidential debate. So she cannot say to the people, hey, I'm against the U.S. Constitution. That will bring less votes for her. So, but what she wants is to have less people injured or killed within their homes, because she says that uh, people doesn't store well their weapons, and kids or children take them as toys and may kill or injure a family member. On the other side, Donald Trump says that he supports the Second Amendment because it's in the Constitution, is the right to bear arms. And the problem is not the Second Amendment. The problem that I see, and I agree with Donald Trump, is that if you're going to buy a weapon, you should store it well. The problem are not the weapons. The problem are not the people who buy the weapon. The problem is if you're going to buy a weapon, which is something that could be dangerous, and if you don't store it from your children, uh, someone's going to be harmed. It's the same way with medicine. Medicine says, please stay away from children, so you don't leave a jar of pills that any kids could think is a candy and take it. Uh, so the thing is not that. It's the same thing if we do the example with cars. Many people die in car accidents every year, but the problems are not the cars. The problems are the people who's driving the cars. So the issue here are not the Second Amendment and the right to bear arms. The issue here is how do you tell the people, and how you, the way you tell people how to be responsible when you have a weapon at home. And that's the key. So that's why I'm in favor of Donald Trump's opinion, and I'm not in favor of Hillary Clinton's. Thank you very much.